This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. What is the shortest binary string that you can repeat to draw this image? All right, keep in mind a string just means something in quotes, and they want to know the shortest one. Well, they gave us a 13, so that should give us somewhat of a hint, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 blocks, and then it goes 8 down. So in total, that means there's 64 blocks. So if they give us 13, well, we're going to need, when you think 64 blocks divided by 13, well, 12 goes into 64 a bit over 5 times. So maybe 5-ish numbers. Regardless, let's throw something down here. Draw. I skipped the first one, and then nope, it's yellow. So that means I color it, I scratch it out. So we would want a 1 there to scratch something out. 1 is true in binary speak. And then I want to skip over this. It's black. Don't scratch that out. So it's 0. I'm just going to try to start with this. Why not test it out? You can always be wrong with code stuff. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I do scratch that one out. Now I should skip. Yep, and I should scratch. Let's just hurry this. All right, and like I had guessed earlier, 2 wouldn't be enough because, again, 13, if you think about like 12 going into 64, it's going to be over 5 times. So we'll likely need a string of about 5 numbers, and we're coloring some stuff that we shouldn't be. So let's go ahead and add a few more here. So I scratch, I don't scratch, then I scratch twice. Let's see how this does, because then I hit the bottom, zoop, I go back to the top to repeat this loop, and I have to do this 12 more times. I would then scratch. Oh, nope, that's black. I don't want to scratch there. So what if I put a 0 here? Okay, let's see if I can repeat this. So that would say scratch, don't scratch, 1, 1, scratch, scratch, yep, don't scratch, got it. Now I hit the bottom back to the top, do this 12 more times, and scratch, yep, 0 here, don't scratch, yep, 1 again, scratch. Let's see what this does. Ooh, this is awesome. Onward.